Hey guys, it's Liv and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you guys 3 quick and easy holiday treat ideas that are perfect for any holiday party or for any occasion. To make these chocolate pretzel bites, you'll need pretzels, your choice of Hershey Kisses, and holiday themed M&Ms. You're going to start off by laying out your pretzels on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You're then going to unwrap your Hershey Kisses and place one on top of each pretzel. You're also going to want to preheat your oven to 350 degrees. You're then going to place them into the oven for about 1 to 2 minutes or until the Hershey Kiss is melted. You'll know it's melted when it is shiny like this. Once the Hershey Kisses are melted, you're going to want to work fast and place an M&M on top of each little mound. You're then going to want to put them into the fridge so that they can harden, or if it's cold out, feel free to put it outside. These pretzel bites are so delicious and I hope everybody tries them out. I know my last video was on how to make a popcorn munch mix thingy, but I felt that a holiday themed one is so much better than a fall themed one, so I'm showing it to you guys again. I'm starting off with some freshly popped popcorn, and this has no salt or anything on it. Feel free to just use one from a bag or add salt if you wanted to, but I'm just using some plain popcorn, and then I'm adding some rice checks. Once my popcorn and checks are lined up in a pretty flat layer, I'm adding some semi-sweet chocolate as well as some white chocolate. Feel free to use red or green chocolate if you would like. I'm now adding some red and green M&Ms. I'm also adding a mixture of Christmas-themed sprinkles. You're then going to want to let it set until the chocolate is firm. You're then going to want to break it up and put it into your desired container. You could totally make a big batch of this and put it in little cookie tins and give to your teachers. It is so delicious and everybody loves it. This third idea is more of a decoration for cupcakes. However, they are so cute and perfect for any Christmas party or holiday party. I am laying the pretzel sticks out on a parchment paper lined baking dish, and then I am making sure they have some room in between them. I am then taking my melted green chocolate in a piping bag and piping from the bottom of the pretzel up to the top, slowly getting smaller. I don't know how to explain it very well, but you're basically making it look like a Christmas tree. I would definitely say that this process takes some time and you have to kind of get into the rhythm, but once you keep going, each tree will look better and better. I recommend making a couple extra than your desired amount. That way, if one of them breaks, you'll have a backup. I'm also going to be leaving a recipe for these gluten-free chocolate cupcakes in the description box below. Feel free to check it out. Once you have finished piping all of your little trees, either put them in the freezer or the fridge to speed up the cooling process, and then once they're ready, take them off of the parchment paper and stick them into your cupcakes. I recommend making the tree trunk a little bit bigger by leaving some more of the pretzel exposed. However, it didn't really work out like that this time, but they still stuck into the cupcakes perfectly and they still looked great. These turned out great, and it literally took about 5 minutes to get it all piped out, and they look amazing.